Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to get from the port of Yokohama. We are walking towards this lovely hot day. Okay, looking at the sea and the tide. And we're gonna be getting on the Celebrity Millennium. So let's see what that's all about. Bags dropped off. We are headed into boarding. There it is. 90,000 ton. It's so small. Let's go. And we're going on board. We finally got checked in. We're gonna enjoy this trip now. Recording again, man. Woo, we're on board. Hello, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. All right, let's go. We're on board. It's air conditioned. We're looking around. Okay, let's go. Get on the elevator.
Oh, these buttons are huge. 10?
Yes, 10. Oh, this is an interesting elevator.
There's no dates on the ground.
We don't know what day of the week it is now.
Oh my gosh, no.
Missing the days of the week. So unroyal. Outside on Celebrity Millennium, guys. Going up the elevator at Yokohama, port of. All right.
Wow.